Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, I'm pretty certain that everyone in our area is going through the process of putting their winter clothes, please, putting them away for good anyways, and breaking out the warm weather clothes and gear. Now, you're also probably trying to figure out where all that dirt and grime came from over the past few months in your house and maybe garage. Well, here to answer that question and how we're going to clean it up is Colleen Gasparo and Miranda Giglio from Custom Made Cleaning. Good to have you ladies back on the show.
Thank you.
It's that time of year, Colleen. We think spring is, this weekend's a little chilly, but we think spring is going to be here next weekend for good.
Yeah.
Spring cleaning, tell us how you help the homeowner spring clean.
Well, typically, your regular cleaning is just, bathrooms, kitchen, floors, vacuuming, that kind of thing. But spring cleaning is a little bit more in detail, where we get, all of your baseboards, your woodwork around the house, your interior windows, your all the woodwork around the window frames, all that kind of like nitty-gritty kind of stuff. We can, get into the corners of everything, the crevices inside of your stoves, fridges, that kind of thing. Stuff that you just have let go like over the course of the winter months and fall months. So.
I'm guessing clients are shocked if they saw, the stuff that gets in the nook and crannies from over the winter time.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, well, hopefully they call us and they don't have to look at it. We'll do it. We'll do it for you. Yeah.
Now, the other things you mentioned, they can do that on a regular, weekly, bi-weekly basis. They can have you guys
absolutely.
Signed up for that?
That's typically what we do is we sign people up for weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, every 3 weeks, occasional cleanings, move-ins, move-outs. We do it all, and we've been doing it for almost 40 years now. So we know how, we have our systems down, and we come in and we've had some retired people that have been in the military, and they told us on a couple occasions, like, you guys are like a fine-oiled machine. We come in, we do what we have to do, and we're out of your way.
All right, Miranda, there's a lot of companies that have brought their workers back to the office and they realize they're messy.
Yes.
So you have office cleaning.
Yes, right? We do. So yeah, we do office cleaning. We come in either during the day, in the evening, after everybody's left the office. We can come in on a weekend. And for us, we treat offices like we treat a home. So, we're in there, making sure we get all the details and everything that they need done.
All right. Also, very important to note, all of your employees, they are fully trained, insured, and bonded.
Yes. Yep. They're insured, bonded. We run background checks on our employees. They go through our training program. We have online training. We have in-person training with them. So we make sure everybody knows what they're doing out there.
All right. Yes. They're professionals that do a fantastic job along the military-wise, what you're saying, Colleen. Hey, this might be newsflash for some. Mother's Day's next week. We got a great gift idea, don't we?
Yeah. So definitely give them the gift of time. We have a Mother's Day gift cards that you can get for your mom. That's something that, we get a ton of them every year because, that is something that moms really love.
Yeah, and a lot of them, I'd say probably like 98% are redeemed. It's something that you can give not only mothers, daughters, neighbors, whoever needs a little bit more extra time in their lives.
All right, can't let you leave without a cleaning tip. You always bring one for us, Colleen.
Okay, I have one. Yeah, I have actually just a couple quick ones. But if you're cleaning out the inside of your refrigerator, know your kids are going to be home all summer long, in and out of your fridge. Get that cleaned out, but don't forget to clean the grate at the bottom of the fridge. You pull that out, wash it in the sink, but also vacuum and wipe down the coils that are behind that grate. It's going to help your appliance run a lot more efficiently.
I do that all the time. Okay. Custom Made Cleaning Inc. is a premier house and office cleaning service that has been in business in our area for over 40 years. To find out more about all the services they provide, head to their website, custommade-inc.com. You can also give them a call, 775-0820, to set up an appointment. And as you see right there on your screen, you can save $50 when you sign up for weekly or bi-weekly services. And of course, call them or go to the website to get that gift certificate for Mom for Mother's Day.